Hello, I am Animesh Maithi, Director of Projects and Strategies. I am working in Jai Parvati Forge Limited, Deravasi. Actually, we are using LMW introduced recently, but I have experience with the LMW for the last 20 years. First machine we have introduced LL2 in some other units where I was working earlier. And now we have used a lot many LMW machines recently, and the performance was very good, and almost we are looking for standard deviation around 2 microns, and we are also suggesting our vendors to go for LMW machines, and there are lot many suppliers to us also, and we are suggesting them to go for the LMW machines. And we are mainly producing tractor items or commercial vehicle items, and some blanks we are exporting, and the consistency wise the machine performance is very good, and overall maintenance is also very low, and we are quite satisfied with the LMW machines. Actually, now the quality requirement has improved a lot, and customers are asking for that situation has changed, and customer is asking for very good quality and consistent quality, not so that every components need not be checked. And what we are getting also the same way, we are getting very good result from the earlier machines, and that's why we are mainly going for the LMW machines. We are getting a result within 10 microns, and for the finishing diameters, and this is a quite a costly component, and one piece rejection it costs a huge for us. So there we are getting very consistent result. So we are going ahead with many numbers in hard turning also we have introduced, and we are getting good result and consistent. Actually, first machine what we introduced in earlier machine, that is still running. It is more than 20 years old, and maybe it is around 25 now. But still they are producing, and hard turning they are mainly used for hard turning operation, but they are getting within 5 microns all the dimensions what they are doing. That way I was looking for these machines only. Now we are gradually introducing all LMW machines for hard turning operations as well as highly accurate components. Service is not much required, and only small annual maintenance will be good enough. But that can be taken care of by our own maintenance department.
Myself, Anil Varma, working as Senior General Manager Operations in Jai Parvati Forge Limited. We are using LMW machines for the last 4 years. Presently we are having 12 numbers machines, and further 7 numbers are under order, and we are very much satisfied with the product quality because it is a reliable product, maintenance free product, and we have customized some machines and they are performing very well. We are supplying product to the international level quality. For that we have already we other machines we are not getting the tolerances as per the dyings, but in LMW machines very much we are satisfied with the quality because it can control the size within the stipulated dimensions. First is a prompt service, and another is a performance without maintenance. This is a more I think we can get more productive product reliability and schedule completing in time. Yes, they are very much active and prompt in service, and as we have called them, they were present in our premises and they have solved our problem.